From field to jar, a cucumber's journey. Imagine a vast field, rows and rows of vibrant green cucumber vines stretch as far as the eye can see. The air is filled with the buzz of bees and the gentle hum of farm machinery. This is where the journey begins, the transformation of humble cucumbers into the beloved pickle. Our journey takes us from these sun-drenched fields to bustling factories. Inside, conveyor belts hum with activity. Millions of cucumbers tumble and bounce along, beginning their transformation. Skilled workers, clad in hairnets and gloves, monitor every step. The process is a testament to ingenuity and efficiency. It's a blend of traditional methods and modern technology, all working in harmony. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of pickle production, from the moment those cucumbers leave the vine to the time they land on your plate. This is more than just a food processing story. It's a tale of cultural significance, culinary tradition, and the simple joy of a crunchy, briny bite. So grab a jar of your favorite pickles, get comfortable, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. A world of pickles. Cultural significance and history. Pickles are more than just a tasty snack. They represent a culinary tradition that spans the globe. For centuries, cultures around the world have embraced the pickle in its many forms. Pickling, the art of preserving food in a salty or acidic solution, has played a crucial role in food security for millennia. From the tangy dill pickles enjoyed at American baseball games to the spicy kimchi that adds a kick to Korean cuisine, pickles hold a special place on tables worldwide. The ancient Egyptians, known for their advanced understanding of preservation, were early adopters of pickling. Pickling allowed civilizations to preserve the bounty of harvest and enjoy seasonal produce year-round. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a way to outsmart nature's cycles and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of our labor long after the growing season has passed.
Sunshine and soil-growing cucumbers for pickles. Not all cucumbers are destined for the pickle jar. In fact, specific varieties are cultivated with pickling in mind. These cucumbers, often smaller and bumpier than their salad counterparts, are bred for their crunch and flavor when preserved. Large-scale farms dedicated to pickle production stretch across acres of fertile land. Farmers carefully monitor soil conditions, irrigation and pest control to ensure a bountiful harvest. The cucumbers thrive under the warm sun, soaking up nutrients from the earth and plumping up day by day. Different regions boast their own prized cucumber varieties for pickling. From the classic Kirby cucumber, known for its versatility, to the shorter, stockier Persian cucumber, each variety brings its unique texture and flavor profile to the pickle jar. From vine to truck harvesting, the cucumber bounty. As the cucumbers reach their peak size and crunch, it's time for harvest. The once quiet fields spring to life with the activity of farm workers. Some farms rely on traditional hand harvesting methods. Skilled workers move swiftly between rows, carefully selecting cucumbers at the perfect stage of ripeness. Others utilize modern machinery to streamline the process. Mechanical harvesters resembling giant combs move through the fields, gently separating cucumbers from the vines. The cucumbers are then collected and loaded onto trucks, ready for their journey to the pickle factory. Whether harvested by hand or machine, the cucumbers are treated with the utmost care. Bruising or damage can affect the final quality of the pickle, so gentle handling is paramount.
Section 5. A bumpy ride. Transporting cucumbers to the factory. The journey from farm to factory is a crucial one in a cucumber's transformation. Trucks piled high with freshly harvested cucumbers embark on their journey, often traveling long distances to reach the processing plants. Temperature control is vital during transport. Cucumbers are delicate and susceptible to heat damage. To preserve their freshness and crunch, trucks are often refrigerated or equipped with ventilation systems to keep the cucumbers cool and comfortable. Upon arrival at the factory, the cucumbers are carefully unloaded and inspected for any signs of damage. This meticulous handling ensures that only the highest quality cucumbers make it to the next stage of the pickling process.
Section 6. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Sorting and cleaning the cucumbers. Inside the pickle factory, the real transformation begins. The first stop for the cucumbers is the cleaning and sorting area. Here, the cucumbers are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt, debris, or lingering passengers from the field. Conveyor belts carry the cucumbers through a series of gentle brushes and water sprays, ensuring every nook and cranny is squeaky clean. Once sparkling clean, the cucumbers move on to the sorting station. Trained workers visually inspect each cucumber, separating them by size and quality. Cucumbers destined for whole pickles are sorted separately from those that will be used for relish or other pickle products.
Section 7. The Big Soak Brining, the heart of pickle making. Now comes the crucial stage in the pickle making process, brining. The sorted cucumbers are submerged in large vats filled with a carefully crafted brine solution. This brine, typically a mixture of salt, water, and sometimes sugar, is the key to transforming cucumbers into pickles. The salt in the brine draws out excess moisture from the cucumbers while simultaneously infusing them with flavor. This process also inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria, preserving the cucumbers and giving them their characteristic tang. The duration of the brining process varies depending on the desired pickle type. Dill pickles, known for their tangy flavor, might brine for a shorter period, while bread and butter pickles, with their signature sweet and sour taste, undergo a longer soak. Section 8. A symphony of flavors. Ingredients that make a pickle. The brining process is only part of what gives pickles their distinctive flavors. A medley of spices and seasonings is added to the brine, infusing the cucumbers with layers of complexity. Classic dill pickles, for example, get their signature tang from the addition of dill seeds, and sometimes garlic to the brine. Bread and butter pickles, known for their sweet and savory flavor profile, get their characteristic taste from a combination of sugar, mustard seeds, turmeric, and other warming spices. The possibilities are endless when it comes to pickle flavors. From spicy pickled jalapenos to sweet and tangy watermelon rind pickles, there's a flavor out there for every palate. The key is to achieve a harmonious balance of flavors that complement the natural taste of the cucumber. Section 9. Time-honored traditions, fermentation versus quick pickling. There are two primary methods for transforming cucumbers into pickles: fermentation and quick pickling. Fermentation, a time-honored tradition, relies on the power of naturally occurring bacteria. The cucumbers are submerged in a salt brine, allowing beneficial bacteria to flourish. These bacteria convert the naturally occurring sugars in the cucumbers into lactic acid, which acts as a natural preservative and gives fermented pickles their characteristic tangy flavor. This process can take several weeks or even months to complete, resulting in a pickle with a complex and nuanced flavor. Quick pickling, as the name suggests, is a faster method that relies on vinegar to achieve the desired acidity. Cucumbers are submerged in a hot vinegar-based brine, which quickly pickles them, infusing them with flavor and preserving them for long-term storage.
Section 10. Ready for the shelves, packaging, and quality control. Once the pickles have reached their peak flavor and texture, it's time for packaging. Pickles are carefully transferred from their brining vats to jars or cans of various sizes. These containers are then filled with brine, ensuring the pickles stay submerged and maintain their flavor and crispness. Automated machines seal the jars or cans airtight, preventing spoilage and extending the pickle's shelf life. Quality control is paramount throughout the packaging process. Each jar or can is inspected for any imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality products make it to market. Labels are applied, proudly displaying the pickle brand, flavor, and nutritional information. These labels often feature vibrant colors and mouth-watering images, enticing consumers with promises of crunchy, briny goodness.
Section 11. A global craving, distribution, and the future of pickles. The journey culminates in the distribution of these jars and cans of pickles to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes around the world. Refrigerated trucks transport the pickles, ensuring they stay cool and crisp throughout their journey. Cold storage facilities play a crucial role in maintaining the quality and freshness of the pickles, preserving their crunch and flavor until they reach consumers. Pickles have become a global culinary staple, enjoyed as a snack, a condiment, and a key ingredient in countless dishes. From the tangy dill pickle spears gracing deli sandwiches to the sweet and spicy bread and butter pickles served alongside barbecue, pickles have cemented their place in the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. As the demand for pickles continues to grow, so too does the ingenuity of pickle producers who are constantly innovating to create new and exciting flavors while staying true to the time-honored traditions of pickle making.